Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way to prepare Hariyali Roasted Chicken. It is one of the popular state recipe of India. So let's see how to prepare the recipe. And for the recipe I need 500 gram of boneless chicken, half bunch of coriander leaves and half bunch of mint leaves, 3 green chillies, 6 garlic cloves and 2 ginger pieces, 8 to 10 black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste and half cup of hunk yogurt. So first I need to paste all these ingredients together. I transfer it into a blending cup. Now I'm going to blend it and make it a fine paste. Now your paste is ready. Now I'm going to add the hunk yogurt and mix it very nicely. The marinade paste is ready. Make small cuts on the chicken so that it can absorb all the flavor of the spices. Once it's done, place the chicken in the marinade paste and coat them from both the sides. I am going to marinate the coated chicken in the refrigerator for at least 5 to 6 hours to get juicy and soft chicken. Now it's about to be 6 hours and the coated chicken has absorbed all the spices of the marination and it's become very nice and soft. Now take a non-stick pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place one by one all the marinated chicken in the non-stick pan and fry for 10 to 15 minutes on high to medium flame from both the sides until it is cooked nicely and it gets tender. From one side it is nicely roasted, so now from other side we need to roast. You can see the chicken is ready. It become very soft and juicy, nicely roasted from both the sides. Here go the Hariyali roasted chicken is ready to serve. So if you have any queries about this video, please drop your comment in the comment section below.